Here. Hi guys, I have bad news. I can't video soon.
Please just shut the
And
fuck
then
up. Silence, shut the fuck
and
up.
then
Please just shut the
I'm
fuck
going to
up.
Agboy. As you can see, that's Leon. Leon. We are going
Shut the
later,
fuck
and
up.
then
Please just shut
I-
the fuck up.
my friend is
Silence,
gonna
shut
be
the fuck
alone for
up.
like
Please
one
just
day.
Shut the fuck
I don't know, maybe 2 days.
or
Just
6 or 7.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Shut the fuck up.
And then
Please
guys,
just shut the fuck up.
this is my video, but still not my phone. And
Lebra.
then my friend, he's gonna be lonely
Shut
for
the fuck.
like 1 or 2 days.
Hey, yo.
We'll be going.
And
Later.
guys, you are confused why we are literally so long to make some videos because we're literally back. The phone is low bat. Okay, the phone is low bat, so we're not gonna video. And then we're too stupid. Even though the phone is not low bat, we didn't make a video, right? Yeah, we're way stupider. So now let's make video. This is our last video.
Now this is my last video. That's you still have video, but soon I will come back, guys.
I'm just gonna sing. I'm just gonna sing. Shut the fuck up. Please just shut the fuck up. Silence, just shut the fuck up. Please just shut the fuck up. Okay. I have a rope. See? I have a rope, and then look, I made this. This is a maze. A maze. You just put this, and then you just roll this, and then you needed to escape. So we needed to do this. Oh my god. Okay, I fall. See? Kamusta na kayong lahat? Ako si Mickey Mouse. Teka, gusto niyo bang pumunta sa clubhouse ko? Kung ganon,